you've watched my style videos, you know that I'm a big fan of basket bags, raffia bags, woven bags. So much so that I have a Pinterest board dedicated to them. But around October last year, I found myself down the rabbit hole of many types of bags from different alternative materials that I want to put you on in case you're not aware of. Here are 3 categories of bags that we should all pay attention to, especially for our spring and summer wardrobe. I say spring and summer because most of these bags are not rainproof, unfortunately. But if it's not raining, they're great and deserve our attention. Beads bags are nothing new, they have been around for a while and they're probably my favorite category because look at these beauties, guys. I want all of them. There are also so many vendors of these bags that are based in Africa, Uganda, Kenya, Nigeria. I've seen all of them on Instagram. So to fulfill my desire, I had to get one from Uganda, which is where I am. I knew I wanted a white beads bag to match with my white sandals, with my white sneakers. And so I picked this baby right here just a few days ago. And guys, isn't she lovely? Isn't she beautiful? I got this made for me. The girl literally sent me the photos of the beads. She asked me if I wanted transparent white or white. I decided to go for this pristine white. She told me to be careful, that I have to, maintain it. And I was like, really? Because I think beads are plastic, and if they're plastic, I should be able to wipe them down, but I'll be careful with it regardless. This is how it opens. It's just a flap. And inside it has a fabric lining, so maybe she also wants me to be careful because of the lining, right? This is not the bag that I can spill coffee on or spill anything for that matter, because obviously it would stain the lining and it would probably stain the beads as well. But guys, I'm so happy with this bag. It turned out so well. I showed her a reference photo and then she did this. She told me that she used 15 base beads, and then I understood that they usually count the size of the bag by the number of beads. So across here I have 15 beads, and that's how I decided to go with this size, because I knew I didn't want it to be bigger or too small that it wouldn't fit my phone. It actually doesn't fit my phone with the phone case. I need to remove the phone case for my iPhone 12, but this is it. This is my first ever beads bag after dreaming about having one since last year. This is my first baby and I cannot wait to style her for summer. It's gonna look amazing with my white heels, with my white sneakers, as I told you. I'm so happy to have her in my collection. I paid about $20 for this one. Yeah, about $20. And I'm definitely gonna be adding more beaded bags for my collection because this is currently my wish list, so I hope I can tick all of them. Number 2, yarn bags. This is a category that is full of styles and full of texture because you have different types of yarns to make different types of bags. I think my favorite type is the fluffy jersey yarn. This is what they use to make bags like this. So I found a vendor here in Uganda as well and I picked up my dream brown yarn bag. Here she is. The inspiration is definitely Lady Dior, and when I saw this on her page, I was like, I want it, make it brown, please. And she actually was able to find the perfect chocolate brown yarn. I now have like my workout gear inside because this bag is very, very shapeless. So I'm thinking of finding some sort of plastic or bag insert just to help keep its shape. But it's just very soft and amazing. So yeah, I'm currently now putting my workout gear, it's clean, just to give it like a little bit of shape and to show it to you guys like this. I also cannot wait to style this for summer. This is so adorable. I cannot wait to style this for summer, and I think this color is gonna go well with what I have going on my wardrobe. I paid around $25 for this one, and I think she took 2 days to make it. And I love it. I'm not sure if I would get another yarn bag just because I find the beaded bags more attractive, but I'm really happy I picked this one up. And they have like countless of styles of this. I also wanted to buy a black simple tote like this, but I ended up not getting it because I have a tote, so I'm just gonna continue using what I have. But this is very attractive. Again, these bags, you cannot spill anything on them, obviously. Water is fine because you just dry it out, but I wouldn't try to spill coffee, wouldn't try to spill any drink, juice, because obviously it's gonna gather the smell. But yeah, I still think it's a fun little add-on to an outfit, and it's one of those things that you'll be the only one carrying something like this when you walk into a room. Like, the chances of someone having the same piece are very low. Now also imagine if she had mixed the white yarn with the brown yarn. I think that would also be super cool. That might be something that I might do in the future, but for now I'm more than ready to enjoy this baby. Number 3 are Mina Duer bags, and I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. I literally only learned this word yesterday when I was finalizing the script from this video. Let me quickly read the definitions for you guys. Mina Duer from the dictionary means a small decorative handbag without handles or a strap. And then on Wikipedia, they say that it's a fashion accessory considered a jewelry piece intended to substitute an evening bag. So here are some beautiful examples of bags in this category. These pearls are a bag that by now everyone and their mama has one. I really wanted this when I saw it, but I was like, you know, you go to a party and there's like 5 other girls with the same bag. No, thank you. You have these ones from AliExpress, which I'm very tempted to buy, because at least on AliExpress they have so many different styles that you can choose which one you want. And I cannot not mention the high-end brand called Gaia. Mina Duer is basically their niche when it comes to bags. They have definitely popularized these types of bags among the stars and the bloggers and so on for their resort collection. These bags add such a unique touch to every outfit. They are so fun, and it's one of those bags that everyone will always ask you, like, where did you get it? And I believe that all of these bags across prices have the same material. It's just plastic, right? You're getting the same thing. You can still get away with getting a cheaper alternative and still look good and still look high-end. If I get to buy any, I'll definitely come back here to show you guys. There are many other alternative materials that bags are being made of these days, but I wanted to share with you guys these 3 categories. I wanted you to dive into this world of alternative/unique bags. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got inspired. I'll see you guys soon on my next shorts video or on my life diaries, alright? Mwah! Bye!